In today's video I'm exploring a self-playing patch on the MiniBrute 2. Basically, I have random LFOs set up. One is controlling the decay of the looped AD. This makes it so that the patch kind of rhythmically randomizes itself to create a sort of random melodic sequence, I suppose. And you can use this to create small loops cut out of the whole track, or you could just release it as some kind of experimental exploration. So hope you enjoy it, and let's listen. If you made it all the way here, thank you so much for listening to my little creative exploration here of a randomized patch. So if you have other ideas of stuff you want me to check out in this little mini series here, checking out the sound of the MiniBrute 2, don't be a stranger, leave a little comment. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a pleasant day.